Hey, this video tutorial is about Polygon, and we have some diagrams here, and we have total number of 6 diagrams here. Now if you look at these diagrams, then all these diagrams are closed curve, right? We know the definition of curve, we know the definition of simple curve, we know the definition of closed curve and open curves. So I assume that you have watched all those videos, and if you haven't, then please go to the playlist and watch those videos first and then come to this video tutorial. Now if you look at these 6 figures or diagrams, then it's clear that all these diagrams, all these figures are closed curve, right? So they all are closed. Okay, now if you further look at them, then you'll find that the first one is a simple closed curve, the second one is a simple closed curve, the third one is a simple closed curve, the fourth one is a simple closed curve, the fifth one is a simple closed curve, but the sixth one is not a simple closed curve. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, these figures are simple closed. These all are simple closed curves. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, these are simple closed curves. Now of these first, second, third, fourth and fifth, can you figure out of these figures which all are made up of only of line segments? They don't have any curve. So the first one is only made up of line segments. Yes, it has 3 line segments. So first, second, no, it has curve, it's circle. This one, this is straight line segment, then we have a curve, then again a straight line segment, and again we have a curve, and then a line segment. No, this is not, it's not only made up of line segment, it has curves also. What about this fourth one? This fourth one is only made up of line segments. This, these all are line segments. So the fourth one, and then we have fifth one. Fifth one is also only made up of line segments, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line segments. So first, fourth and sixth, these all are made up of these. First, fourth and sixth are only made up of line segments, only made up of line segments. So these are only made up of line segments. These are simple closed curve, simple closed curves, and that's what any curve to be a polygon, this is the condition that they must satisfy, that if a given curve is a simple closed curve, this condition, and if it is only made up of line segments, if that curve is only made up of line segments and is a simple closed curve, then that will be a polygon. So of these figures, the first one, the fourth one and the fifth one, these are simple closed curve that are made up of only of line segments, and therefore they will be called polygon. So that's the definition of a polygon, that any simple closed curve made up of only line segments is a polygon. That is a polygon.